Social media content builds trust, not sales. Great, folks. Today's video is about the importance of understanding how to use social media video content. It's all about building trust. Now, everybody likes to buy from people they know, like, and trust. And that is the purpose of social media video content, is to build that trust for the audience to get to know you, to get them to like you, and ultimately trust you enough to perhaps buy something down the line. So your role as a video content creator should be to help your clients understand that that's what their video content should be doing. And just like this video does, gives short bites of great information without any expectation of anything in return, with a view to build trust, to build association, to give value, and maybe down the line, open up a sales conversation. But that's not the primary purpose of these types of video content. So think about that. Talk to your clients about creating a series of videos that can help them and their audience build trust. Talk again soon. Bye.